Hey guys, my name is Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you another new piece of inventory. This is going to be a 2023 MasterCraft X24. We're going to take a step inside and look at some of our favorite features on the boat. This boat is here at MarineMax, where we are your one-stop shop for all your boating needs. We've got an awesome pro shop with everything that you could possibly need for the boat, great financing, and we'll get you set up with insurance. And then we've got our awesome service department on the back end to give you that peace of mind while you're out there on the water. Let's take a step inside and take a look. All right guys, as we step inside, we're gonna look at our awesome interior color. This is gonna be full cool feel all the way throughout, so it's gonna stay nice and cool out there in the Texas heat. One of our favorite features on this boat is our transom lounges with the fold out foot stands. These are really nice for people who are chilling on the back of the boat while you all are stationary out there. As we step inside of the boat, we do have our awesome Z8 tower. This one has twin clip speakers up top as well as throughout the boat. And then our patented clamping board racks as well. Those are really nice for storing your surfboards whenever you're out on the water. As we come through, we did option this boat with the dual touch screens on the helm. This makes it really easy on the driver and on the rider whenever you guys are out there. You get full communication with the camera out there, and you can set profiles for all your surfers. Makes it really easy for everybody. On this port side, we do have communicating storage all the way throughout. This is going to make it so you guys can store your life jackets, towels, anything like that. It'll be out of the way while you guys are out there enjoying your time. Finally, as we step forward, up in the transom, we have our pickle fork bow with fold down armrests on this X24. Makes it really nice for the people who are sitting up here. You can fit 2 to 3 adults up here really comfortably. And then that makes it so you're using all the space in the boat whenever you're out there. Again, this is a 2023 MasterCraft X24. My name's Tyler Smith. Come on by and we can get you squared away.